Hello guys, welcome to our channel Mystic Tarot World. Today we are going to do a love reading for Scorpions. Let's see what's happening for Scorpions in their love life. This is a general love reading for the month of November. Okay. If you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing my channel and please follow me on my Instagram and my Facebook. Also, I provide personal readings. So if interested, please message me on my WhatsApp to book yourself a personal reading. So yeah, let's see what's happening for Scorpions in their love life. What's happening? Okay, the first card we have is the Seven of Wands, Aries, Leo, Sag energy. The Sun, Leo energy. Three of Cups, Cancer, Scorpio, Passion energy. What a sign. What more do we have? Three of Swords, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Six of Pentacles, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Earth sign. Four of Wands, Aries, Leo, Sag, fire sign. Two more please for Scorpions. Seven of Swords, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, and Six of Cups. Okay, beautiful. The main theme what I'm seeing here is someone is realizing that the third party was not for them, and the overall feeling is the judgment. Someone here was into a third party situation for sure. Okay, someone was not being true, someone was sneaky, cheating, lying, deception was going on, futility. Okay, definitely someone was not being real, and now they are realizing that it was not for them. The grass wasn't greener on the other side, and so they are coming back. Someone is coming back to you in the month of November specifically, and wanting to reconcile with the Six of Cups, asking you for forgiveness, giving gifts, and trying to impress, and wanting to make you happy. Also preferably you're going to get with the Six of Cups and this Four of Wands a marriage proposal from someone you were expecting or not expecting maybe, but someone is hurt here, and this is not you. I don't see this is your energy. This is someone who was into a third party situation and they did everything they could, but they did not the feelings were not being reciprocated. Okay, maybe they too got hurt, they too got cheated as they did to you. Okay, so they got their karma basically, Scorpions. Also what I see here is this person had blocked you in the past, and now they are unblocking you. They were not paying attention to you, they were ignoring you, and now they are coming back and trying to impress you, get your attention. You were begging for their attention, and now they will be begging for your attention. You want it or not, you decided. Okay, Scorpions. But I see this person changed. They literally got their karma very hard. Okay, so they have learnt their lesson, and this was a very hard hardship for them. This was not something to brush off. They had a very bad relationship with the third party, and they want to come back in. Okay, and if this third party was not something like this was not a romantic relationship with the other person, maybe your person chose something like their friends, their freedom, their career, their money, their finances, their family over you, or for some of you they were going with their family's choice for getting married, and so things did not end well, and now they're back to you. Okay, so someone is coming back definitely, and you're going to take it. You're going to you are going to take some time to forgive this person, to see what agenda they have into their mind, but you are going to take their offer. You're going to say, okay, let's try, let's begin. Okay, and the last the overall energy is the Judgment. So this person had their judgment call. Okay, they had to go through something to realize that they did wrong to you, and now they want this person now wants to make things right with you. They want to compromise, they want to adjust, they want to say sorry, they want to clear things out and whatnot. This is a Sagittarian energy. Okay, and they're very optimistic about things happening. Okay, they will try to impress you, they will try to even beg you or chase you. Okay, for some of you. And Page of Swords, this person was they were cutting you off their life, and now they won't anymore. This person just won't cut you off. They will just want you to let them in your life again and begin from the scratch. So are you ready for that? Are you really ready to take this person back? Think about it. I see this person coming back with a lot of regrets. Okay, they know they have done wrong to you. Okay, so now the ball is in your court. Do you really want to take this person back? You decide for yourself. Okay, maybe for many of you this person has already knocked at your door. Okay, let's see what's happening. What advice do we have for Scorpions? I know this is a short reading, but I want to bring out more readings frequently for you guys, so please adjust with this one. What do we have for Scorpions? Okay, the first one we have is hope. Hope is always there even if we can't see it. Optimistic expectations. See, I told you, whether your person is hoping that things will go back to normal with you, or you are hoping that this person will realize, and that is going to happen. Okay, inspiration. Be prepared, as you will soon receive a visit from fairy of inspiration. Come dusk or dawn, she can call it. I told you, something is inspiring you to be with this person. Maybe this person will win your heart back. I don't know what's that, but they are inspired and determined and dedicated to you now. Protection. Your relationship is guided and protected by angels, spirit guides, fairies, universe. Don't worry about anything. Okay, yeah. Now let's see from my handwritten messages, what do we have for you. It can be about anything, your career or your finances also. Secret lover. Someone is spying on you, or maybe someone has their eyes set on you. So look around you. 1, 5, 6 months. Maybe you're maybe you have separated 1, 5, 6 months ago from someone, or something major is coming in 1, 5, 6 months from now. Loyal. So they have come to a realization and they are loyal now. They will not repeat the same mistake now. The next we have is the clarity. Okay, so you're going to gain clarity in a particular situation, friendship. So this person may try to win you back, starting from scratch. Maybe they will try to impress you. First they will say let's be friends, and then they'll walk one step closer to you. Blindfold. So just put off your blindfolds, or this person's blindfolds are now being taken off. So that's what's coming up for you, Scorpions. I hope you like the reading. If it did, please hit the like button, and if you're new to my channel, please do consider subscribing my channel. See you in next video.